Solving equation using Gaussian elimination method. This is the equation. And first of all, change the equation into matrix number. For example, like this. X represent 1, and then 2, 3. And then 2, negative 1, 3. And then negative z is negative 1, 1. And then negative 2, close it, and then x, y, z, close it, equal to number of the back 5, 1, 8, and then close the bracket. Then to solve this, we need to change this 3 number over here, this 3 number, into 0, which means that make upper triangular form like this, the 0. And in order to do that, first you need to do augmented matrix equation like this. 1, 2, 3. 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 2. And then, like this, insert the number 5, 1, 8, and then close it. Then, from this matrix, create your own formula to change the selected number into 0. This selected number. This equation will be labeled with R1, R2, and R3, meaning that row 1, row 2, and row 3. Then, to change the first number at row 2 into 0, we need to create a formula. And for an example, we're using an arrow like this, and then R2 minus 2R1, meaning that all number in row 2 here, and then minus with 2 bracket, and then R1 number in row 1. First, like this, R2, 2, insert 2, and then negative minus 2, R1 is 1 over here, equal to 0. And then next, negative 1 minus 2, 2 equal to negative 5. And then 1 minus 2, negative 1 equal to 3. And then 1 minus 2 in bracket 5 equal to negative 9. Then from all this number, insert it into row 2. Like this. 1, 2, negative 1, and then close it like this. 5, negative 9, 8, 0, negative 5, 3, 3, 3, negative 2. Close. Number, the answer over here will be inserted into row 2 over here. Then from this row 2, change these 2 number into 0, and we need to create a formula again. This time we use formula R3 minus 3R1. The purpose we do this formula is to change this 3 number into 0. Okay, and then this means that row 3, number in row 3, minus 3, and then bracket number in row 1. Okay, first, which is 3 over here, 3 minus 3, number 1, and then equal to 0. Okay, you need to calculate it. And then 3 minus 3 bracket 2 equal to negative 3. And then negative 2 minus 3, negative 1 equal to 1. And then 8 minus 3 bracket 5 equal to negative 7. And then the number will be like this: 1, 0, 0, 2, negative 5, negative 3, negative 1, 3, 1, close it, and then 5, negative 9, negative 7. All the number here is inserted into row 3. It's still not finished yet because we need to still to change one more number into 0. And we do it again, make the arrow, and then create again a formula to change this number into 0 to make an upper triangular form. Okay, this time we use R3, meaning that row 3 minus 3 over 5 R1. Okay, which means that the first number is from row 3, meaning that 0, and then minus 3 over 5. Row 1 is, oh sorry, not row 1, row 2. Row 2, which is 0. Okay, first 0 minus 3 over 5. And then 0 in bracket equal to 0. When you change the number over here into 0, and you need to create a formula that will not change this number, which means that it still be 0 because we're trying to make upper triangular form. Next is negative 3 minus 3 over 5, and then negative 5, number from here, negative 5 equal to 0. And then next number, 1 minus 3 over 5 bracket 3 equal to negative 4 over 5. And then the last number, negative 7 minus 3 over 5, and then the number is negative 9 from row 2 equal to negative 1, 3 over 5, and then change it into this negative 8 over 5. Now we got a new matrix, which is 1, 2, negative 1, still the same, then 3, and then 0, negative 5, 3, which is the same number as here, still same, negative 9, and then the new number here will be inserted inside this box, 0, 0, and then negative 4 over 5, and then negative 8 over 5. Okay, this is the new equation. From this equation, we will solve it using back substitution. Like this, for example, this is back substitution. The first number, which is, if you look at the equation here, the number, oh sorry, no, over here, equation Z is negative 4 over 5. Negative 4 over 5 here, Z equal to negative 8 over 5. This, like, do it like this. And then Z will be equal to negative 8 over 5, bring this in bracket, minus 5 over 4. And the answer will be Z equal to 2. Calculate it using calculator. And then we have make the z, which is z equal to 2. Then we make y. Over here, negative 5y, we take it from the here. Take from here, negative 5y. And then plus 3z equal to negative 9. And then negative 5y plus 3, 2 equal to negative 9. We insert 2 because z is equal to 2. Okay. And then negative 5y equal to negative 9. And then 3 times 2, which is 6, will be bring to over here, which is negative 6. And then negative 5y equal to negative 15. Y equal to negative 15 over here, negative 5. Y equal to 3. Okay. Now we need to find the value of x, which is from the equation. We take the equation from the equation. 1x here, 1. Take the 1 here. 1x, then plus 2y. This is 2. 2y. And then minus 1z. This 1, negative 1. Okay. Equal to 5. X plus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 equal to 5. Okay. We change y into 3 because the answer is y equal to 3. And then the z over here is 2. Okay. X will be plus 6 minus 2 equal to 5. And then x equal to 5 minus 6 plus 2. Over here. Transfer it. And then x will become 1. And then the final answer is, okay, x is 1. And then y is 3. And z is 2. This is the final answer. X equal to 1, y equal to 3, and z equal to 2. And if you're not sure with your answer, you can check your answer. Check the answer by substituting the value over here into the earlier equation. Okay. For the first equation, which is x plus 2y minus z equal to 5. And then insert the value. X is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket 3. And then minus z is 2 equal to, and when you calculate it, you will find the answer is 5. You can also do this for y and z. Okay. Next is 2x minus y plus z equal to 1. 2, 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 1. Yeah, the answer is correct. And then next is the last equation over here. 3x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 8. 3x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 8. And then insert the value like this one also. Insert it, which is x is 1, 3 bracket 1, and then plus 3, y is 3, and then minus 2, z is 2. And then when you calculate it, you will find the answer is 8. which is correct. If the answer is not correct, there is some error. There will maybe some error in calculation over here, back substitution, or maybe over here when you change the formula, when you create your own formula. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you.